everyone, Bethany here with Atlantic Flag and Pole. It is election season, but it will be winding down soon, and we are doing a great sale, a great special, our countdown to the election. So we have some campaign flags still available, and we're going to be doing a great special on your flagpole purchase this weekend as well. So I just want to show you quickly. We still have in stock some of our blue Trump Keep America Great campaign signs. It's a 3x5 nylon. We have these available. We have the more heavy duty white Trump Trump flags as well. And then we also have the Biden-Harris campaign sign, also campaign sign. I keep calling them signs. It's because campaign signs are all over the place right now. Campaign flag, 3x5 nylon. And basically what we're going to be doing is first come, first serve until they are gone and we don't have any left. We are going to be giving away a free campaign flag with a flagpole kit purchase. Plus, you also get free shipping on your Phoenix telescoping flagpole purchase. So over the weekend, that's going to be our countdown to the election sale. And so if you know of someone who's been wanting to get a flagpole, this is like your last chance to really show your pride for whatever candidate you're voting for. Election season is exciting in that this is a part of our civic duty as Americans. And so I tend to really get on board with this stuff. I hope you do as well in showing patriotism. But that's something that you'll get. So it's a double sale this weekend only. You're going to save $50 because we're going to pay for the ground shipping for your Phoenix telescoping flagpole. So you get free shipping and your choice of a campaign flag for free added to your flagpole kit. So check that out online at AtlanticFlagpole.com. And then if you already have a flagpole, we are discounting our campaign flags down by 50%. So they're going to be super cheap, available on our website. Check that out, spread the word, and I hope that you are getting out there and you are going to vote.